Oh. Look.
He looks adorable.
He does.
You guys look adorable together.
Alright, today the part of my beard will be played by BonkBonkBonkBonk. And, I don't have a plan for the rest of the video, so...
I love you, Kitten!
You know, he really does appear way bigger on video than he actually is.
Well, compared to me, does he still look big?
Yeah.
He does?
Which is weird.
He's so small, though.
I know, he's really tiny, but you are also quite tiny.
Oh, look, I'll bunch him up and people won't be able to see how small he is. He's like a popple. Remember those?
Yeah. Honey, stretch him out.
See? Look how small he is. You see? Stretch him out?
Yeah. Stretch it on out, buddy.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Mountain Dew.